Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand that you want to know how you can add a new step and then how you can edit the page. So in order for you to add a new step, it's here, click on this, and then give it a name, and then click on Create Funnel Step. And then for editing your page, you go into the editor, and in the editor, for you to be able to hyperlink some words, let's say I want to hyperlink compressive, that's what I'll do, or internet marketing, let's say internet marketing. This is what I'm going to do. I would highlight it like this after double clicking it. So all you do is you double click, you see. So after I double click on this and then I highlight this, I'm going to go to this thing that looks like a ring, and you just click on it. You take out the hashtag and then you put in the link. And sorry. And that's it. Let me do it again. Okay, so I'm gonna oh god. Okay, so that's it. I hyperlink this. Let me do it again one more time. So let's say I want to hyperlink shoulder. I'm gonna go here. That's it. You can change the color. And voila, hyperlink done. Okay, so that's how to hyperlink. For you to be able to add a picture, click on this. Look for the image element, and voila. And then you click on it like so, and you choose the image here. So for example, I'm just going to use this one. Well, let's use this one. Okay, so you click on that and you have it here. So that's for image. Let's go to another one. You click on add element, you scroll down, video, select video, and you check and use the one that you want. Let's say I want to put a YouTube video, www.youtube.akramIsawesome.com. So let's say that's the link. And you can put it to autoplay and just play around with this to put what your preference is. And that's how to put in a video. Then of course you go up and click on save. So those are three things. Number one, how to hyperlink. Number two, add an image element. Number three, add a video element. So that's all for now. Let me know if that works. Have a nice day.